को पता है. Then we have bearish engulfing candle, full body green candle, full body red candle. दो एकदम बेसिक कंसेप्ट हो गए. आफ्टर दैट देन देयर इज कॉम्प्लेक्स कैंडल्स दैट कम. कॉम्प्लेक्स कैंडल लेने क्या कि कोई डोजी बनता है या फिर हैमर बनता है या फिर शूटिंग स्टार इनसाइड कैंडल. तो दोज आर पैटर्न्स दैट वी कैन डिस्कस. बट फॉर अ ऑप्शन बायर व्हाट वी नीड इज फोर्स. प्राइस अगर भागे नहीं तो इट इज अ लूजिंग ट्रेड फॉर अस, राइट? If the price is not moving fast enough, then it is going to be a losing trade for us. तो हमारे लिए as an option buyer, you have to have this in your mind ingrained कि अगर ये अच्छा कैंडल है, अच्छा कैंडल लेने क्या, एक तो फुल बॉडी ग्रीन कैंडल या फिर फुल बॉडी रेड कैंडल, अगर वैसा कैंडल ना हो तो मुझे वो ट्रेड लेना नहीं या फिर I should not be entering that trade. That is the very very most important concept that you have to put in your mind. तुम बोलोगे यार सर आपने तो उधर ले लिया था, तो ठीक है, that is a different part. Why? Because this is a support. This is a support. Why? Because last, if you see so many days if you see this area again and again price was rejecting this, and here we had a breakout. So one concept is candle structure, second is volume. Volume is very 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 important for an option buyer. Volume means क्या कि you have to look at future chart, and once you look at a future chart, go to your chart. If you have any chart setting, go to your chart and see how much volume was created here and what was the volume created here. I would want everyone to go through that. Please go through a chart and look at what was the volume created here. Go to a future chart and see the volume that was created here in these candles. You will see a big difference. आपको बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस दिखेगा कि यहाँ पे जो वॉल्यूम क्रिएट हो रहा था, यहाँ पे क्रिएट हो रहा था, वो कम था, और यहाँ पे जब वॉल्यूम क्रिएट हुआ तो दैट वॉल्यूम वाज क्वाइट लार्ज, राइट? हम देख सकते हैं. Yeah, see this? So what is this called? The price is ascending, price is going higher, and the volume, see this volume? Volume is also going higher. So this is a very very convincing, or this is a very very good trade that we can look at. Last so many days, this was the ring. So what happened was here, if you observe, this is where we got a breakout and volumes were very good. And today what happened again? First candle, first 5-minute candle, if you see, you will see large volume. From there it is taking support. Now, if anyone is taking a momentum trade, or if somebody is taking a positional trade, if you're taking a positional trade, this area will be your stop loss. This area will be your stop loss, that is 41,800 around. Now from here on we can look at target of 42,000 or 42,400 also. One hour chart. Give me 1 minute. If market comes down from here, this 20 EMA will be my first round of support. Then I use 50 EMA and 200 EMA also. EMA, that is exponential moving average. If you want, you can write it down.
Sir, can you repeat again?
Yeah, I use 3 moving averages. But
आपके बिजनेस का भी डुप्लीकेट हो गया तो GoDaddy पे आओ और .com के साथ .in और .org
Everyone can see? Okay. So this is the moving averages I use. Moving average exponential 20, 50 and 200. And then I use VWAP which has a default setting. So these indicators and the price action, it is more than enough for us to make money. The more simple we keep things, the more better for us. 10-50 इंडिकेटर लगा के इसका कर्व उसका कर्व ये वो कोई जरूरत नहीं, नॉट नेसेसरी. इफ वी ओनली अंडरस्टैंड द बिहेवियर, दैट इज मोर देन इनफ फॉर अस टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन द मार्केट. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन ट्रेडिंग इज, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस मूविंग एवरेजेस, इज what we look at or how we look at the indicators. Okay, now I'll explain that also. So how we look at the indicators is, every indicator has a time, or every indicator has a good part, every indicator has a bad part also. Okay, but the indicator is not bad. The way we look at it is wrong, right? The way we interpret the indicator is where the problem happens. So what happens is, for many us, what will happen is, if indicator is showing that it is flat, indicator is showing it is sideways, फिर भी हम बोले अरे नहीं वरती जाणार आहे थांब, अरे नाही खाली जाणार आहे थांब, मला दिसतंय तो असा थोडासा असा तिरपा होतोय तो, मी घेतो त्याला थांब, है की नहीं? ऐसा ही होगा ना. तो इसीलिए let the indicator do the talking. Let the indicator do the talking. वो इंडिकेटर को पहले बताने तो दो, या फिर उसको अच्छे से मूव तो होने दो कि वो कौन सा डायरेक्शन जाना चाहता है. एक बार उसने डायरेक्शन डिसाइड कर लिया, उसके बाद तो फिर आप वो ट्रेड कितना होल्ड कर पाएंगे वही इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो इफ यू ऑब्जर्व हियर, व्हाई आई यूज मूविंग एवरेजेस, बिकॉज इट टेल्स मी वेरी क्लियरली, द मूविंग एवरेजेस टेल्स मी वेरी क्लियरली if the market is sideways, if the market is upside, or if the market is downside. As an option trader हमको क्या चाहिए? As an option trader हमको क्या चाहिए? मार्केट किधर जा रहा है वही पता करना है ना. बाकी ट्रेड तो लेना आता है, स्ट्राइक प्राइस चूज करना तो आता है, एंट्री करनी आती है, एग्जिट भी करना आता है, बट यही नहीं पता होता कि मार्केट किधर जा रहा है. यही सबसे बड़ी दुविधा है सबके लिए. तो for us, these moving averages will tell us very very clearly which way the market wants to go. Now, what is this moving average telling here? What are the moving averages telling you here? Sideways. Clear? Very clear? Sideways. And now what is it telling you? Once the price is moved, now what is the direction of the moving averages? Upside. कितना simple है. Still we complicate things कि नहीं ये ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. So as we discussed, trading is more about psychology. 70-80% is about psychology, or the way we interpret the market. We as traders, when we start out, we do not let the market react. हम मार्केट को नहीं, हम मार्केट के लिए नहीं वेट करते कि वो किस तरह जाना चाहते हैं. हमको कहाँ जाना है वो हम डिसाइड कर लेते हैं पहले माइंड में कि हाँ इधर ही जाना चाहिए मार्केट, या फिर मैं आज तो कॉल नहीं बैठूंगा, मैं पुट तो लूंगा ही नहीं, या फिर मैंने पुट लिया तो आज कॉल नहीं लूंगा. Right? So we as traders, we have to be very very dynamic, and we have to understand the situation. Market is all about situation. Who is creating markets? We all together are buying and selling. That is how market is created, right? So we as traders have to be very dynamic. Now see this candle. Now it is clearly telling us, what is price telling us now? Though the moving averages are higher, but what is the candle structure telling us? That it is sideways right now. Why I am saying sideways? Because look at this first 15-minute candle. Did the price cross the high or low of the first 15-minute candle? Yes, everyone, tell me please. थोड़ा इंटरैक्टिव होंगे तो फिर अच्छा रहेगा. नो राइट. सो व्हाट डू वी नीड टू डू एज ए ट्रेडर?